These are the owners of 200 North Hogan in Jacksonville, Florida. So these are originally Westinghouse, Schindler, and then modernized by, I don't know. The press finishes are nice cabs. Basement up and down. 4, we can up to 4. ThyssenKrupp. Here are 4, just using the grocery for the innovation. I don't think I've seen that before. Certificate. They're very nice cabs. I don't think these wall panels are original. It has this like nice brass mirror right there and like this crown molding. Very interesting, nice cabs. Interesting carburetor here, I got 1. I don't know if there's another one. Or not. I was not seeing that. Friends like